Hi everyone, my name is Lily and today I want to talk about something yummy. My favourite fruits. I love fruits. They are sweet, colourful and super healthy. Let me tell you about some of my favourites. This is an apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. Sometimes they are red, green or yellow. My mum says, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I like to eat apples after school. This is a banana. Bananas are soft and easy to peel. I eat a banana in the morning. It gives me lots of energy to play and learn. These are grapes. Grapes are small and juicy. I like to eat them as a snack. Sometimes my mum freezes grapes and they taste like little popsicles. Yum! And look! This is watermelon. Watermelon is big, red and full of water. It's so refreshing on a hot summer day. I love sharing watermelon with my family. And my super favourite fruit is mango. Mangoes are sweet and smell so good. I feel like I'm on vacation when I eat mangoes. They make me happy. Fruits are not just yummy, they are also good for you. They help you grow strong and healthy. My teacher says eating fruits makes your brain work better too. What about you? What's your favourite fruit? Is it apples, bananas, or maybe something else? Thanks for listening to me talk about my favourite fruits. Don't forget to eat fruits every day and stay healthy. Bye.
Please subscribe our channel and like the video.